Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get time warp scan filter on Instagram, and this method is really easy. You don't need to follow anyone to unlock the filter. So let me show you how. So of course open the Instagram and then just go to your story and create one. So press on plus icon on your story on the top left, and then as you can see here below here there is all the filters, so we need to swipe to the right to the end. When you see this browse effects, you need to press on that, and then as you can see here on a top right corner there is little magnifying glass. You need to click on that and then just write time warp scan. Probably there will be a lot of videos with this filter, so what you need to do here is to click whatever basically you want, but I like this one, and I will explain why. Because as you can see here, when I try it, this one I can use a vertical line and also horizontal line. So if you want to, you can definitely try it, and as you can see here it's working really great. So if I take the video, as you can see here, is working perfectly fine. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.